Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, I got a reason viewers and subscribers to think physically channel active. Jaden Chaser bring the latest in entertainment and dancehall. Remember, man, I'm reminding you now. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel track, them not ready. The audio did bad, and then the music video just make it that much more better, viewers and subscribers. I don't know, every time I see a Vybz Kartel music video and I hear a Vybz Kartel track, I always anticipate for hear greatness in a dancehall music. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel have a line in that track there. Warm up your hole, feel the pulse, me have the sauna. Long cocky, wake up any girl out of a coma. Now, viewers and subscribers, the significance of that line is Vybz Kartel is actually talking about medical science. This is actually a treatment for comatose. As a matter of fact, I'm going to make you hear the rhyme and then make a reason about the rhyme. Watch your play.
Warm up your whole, feel the pulse, me have the sauna. Long cocky, wake up and the girl out of a coma. Me no walk. Left the crep, spin the roll, left the shoulder, pose a while. Want to wrap your pussy in front of the...
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, Teacher definitely a very prolific dancehall artist. Now, viewers and subscribers, as I said about official research and actual treatment in a medical science. Now, this was a study carried out by UCLA, and a man wakes up from coma after ultrasound waves were beamed into his brain. Now, the official statement, viewers and subscribers, a 25-year-old man in a coma may have had his recovery kick-started after researchers excited his brain tissue with ultrasound pulse. He go on. The man was showing minimal signs of being conscious and understanding speech before the treatment. But a day after scientists at UCLA beamed ultrasound waves into his brain, his response improved measurably, viewers and subscribers. Meaning, say, signs were being shown by the individual, say, immediately forward back to consciousness. But a day after them beam the ultrasound wave pulse in our brain, them start to see measurable signs of improvement, meaning say them would have at some form of scale where them could have measured the amount of improvement where the individual that show. Vybz Kartel talk about medical science. Not done this up. 3 days later, he regained full consciousness and language comprehension. Meaning, say, my them the door it open, he might look around, he might move about, and him could have understand what we are say. He never just hear the sound them, he could have understand and remember what those words meant. Researchers targeted a specific part of the patient's brain that regulates consciousness with low intensity pulses of ultrasound energy. This excites the neurons in that specific part of the brain. I think it is referred to as the thalamus or the something like that. Anyway, the researchers believed that this triggered the man's brain to wake up. And up until now, viewers and subscribers, the only way to achieve this was through risky surgical procedures. And these procedures were known as deep brain simulations, in which electrodes were implemented and directly placed at these key parts of the brain that affect consciousness. But as I'm going to tell you, electrodes implanted in your brain, it's kind of more risky because it's somewhat a form of brain surgery. And one of the riskiest surgeries they can perform, viewers and subscribers, is actually brain surgery. You know what I mean? Yeah. All surgeries are dangerous, but brain surgery is that much more, dangerous. But viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel attack actual medical science, would you believe? Some people feel like say it was just a catchy line. Just Vybz Kartel do. You know what I mean? Some intelligent wordplay because they hear warm up your hole, me have the pulse. Warm up your hole, feel the pulse, me have the sauna. You know what I mean? Long cocky, wake up any girl out of a coma. Them just probably say your Vybz Kartel just a say it. You know what I mean? Because further on, him go on to say, yo, post a boy want to rob it, but I'm going to play Fortnite, you know, and reason upon the road. And, you know what I mean? People that say, I just verse, I just lyrics. But that one thing when me know about Vybz Kartel. Anytime I hear teachers say certain things, come here at first, I look into it, I say, yo, that does sound like a treatment or something that could work for people in a coma. Because, as you know, this was a theory for a good while, but UCLA practice it or research it some more, try it out with a patient, and it actually worked. And now it is more looked at as a better form of treatment, you know what I mean? Yeah, than to say, yo, the risky surgical procedure. So the fact that Vybz Kartel put that in our music, Vybz Kartel is aware of what take place in a medical science today. Meaning, say the artists, viewers and subscribers is still artists. We are read, still are doing research, still excited by news of enhancements of technology and medical procedure, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a free thinker in a dancehall music. But they can't tell me nothing. And I ask no question. Me I put the reasoning to no. Only know say actual medical science Vybz Kartel at about. I don't feel like I just catchy wordplay. If you like the G just say that. Yo, I want to think about the teacher. Once it sound like it deep in a medical science, it might be just that. And you know, from it sounds scientifical. You know, Jalen Chase are going on the whole analytics. I'm not going to know, say, yeah, man, analytics this. Pan what go on. You know what I mean? I have analyzed the data. And these are the findings, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel is still the most prolific dancehall artist to date. That are the findings we'll find. Whether it be, I always point out this, because what I notice with Vybz Kartel is some people might want to put artists in a box and say, yo, them will do this at this particular time. You can't let Vybz Kartel, because look on this. Them already is a track for the ladies. A majority of ladies just entertained by the music video. Them like all the girl them a go on the slang them, the scenery. And for the song, them just like how teacher sound upon the rhythm. And the thing them must sing about, and the fact that the rhythm is a rhythm is sound so movable. And then the things them a teacher say, you know what I mean, come sit down upon it, broke off the, you know what I mean? It's a dancing, it's a vibes, them the ready for you, them the ready for you, them the ready. You know what I mean? It just sound fun and summer infused. But at the same time, in the lyrical content, the G attack, actual medical science to fans, viewers and subscribers, listeners. Yo, the teacher not take no rest day. When it comes to lyrics, no rest day the artist not take viewers and subscribers. The man go out time way for talk about coma treatment. All time we never need to do it. But what he do is definitely paint the picture of the verse. He definitely paint the picture in the verse. You have a style. The daddy style, we call it, means you know move lively. You know what I mean? You enjoy yourself, you know, live your best life. Teachers say you want yourself. Feel the pulse, man, not the sooner. Start something here. Wake up any cat out of a coma. Just link me. Teacher make sure you know say yo just forward over here so you can get to feel but the vibes. But at the same time, he might tell you with factual reasoning. Means when the artist attack, you have to take him serious. When the artist attack, you have to definitely take him serious. That's how the artists approve viewers and subscribers, by adding factual research topics in him song them. And the first me hear him do it. And by God blessing me, it won't be the last. As long as the teacher continue to put out music, this will be the energy where fans can always look forward to viewers and subscribers. It's always a delight when me hear say yo, a Vybz Kartel song will drop. Always a delight. As a matter of fact, Vybz Kartel tapped the charts recently with a track where you wouldn't even believe me. I got drop a vlog about it because when I see the story and realize the news and the impact, I say, yo, no, this can't go. I'm going to talk about it. This is a big achievement, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel continues to set the standard in the dancehall music. Continues. And I'm not a joke. And I just we say that the worker speak for himself. You know what I mean? When we compare the artist's music to other artists' music without comparing and criticizing nobody, because I'm not going to call the name. But when we evaluate music and we look upon, we're not going to say the time we take for put into the effort and energy we go into music, because everybody have a different level of work ethic, and some people lyrical talent just not dead like how Vybz Kartel lyrical talent is there. But when we look upon the data, viewers and subscribers, and we'll see what go on, we'll do the research. We realize, say, yo, when you look upon Vybz Kartel song, even if it's a catchy, simple song, people that enjoy themselves, when you look upon the lyrical composition, the structure of the song, them, you know what I mean, the metaphors, the similes, the puns, with the adjectives, the verbs, you name the nouns, you name them. Vybz Kartel is unmatched with the way him implement these in the song them. Him actually understand the English vocabulary and him know the structure a sentence, and that is key when making music, especially music where makes sense. In the affect go that way there, because people make catchy music where just for sing along too. But differently from that, the song them have to make sense. Vybz Kartel understand the English language, and that is why it's so easy for him can construct a sentence. Big up yourself, teacher. Find that one here. Yeah, my viewers, tell me how you feel about the reasoning. You know what I mean? If you did notice, it was actually a medical procedure and factual medical treatment for people in comatose. Jaden Chaser bring the latest reasoning. Remember that, man? I want to need for the right now. May I remind you to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, viewers and subscribers. Yo, we don't know for it. See the subscribe icon there, see bell icon there, and see the page. I ask you for comment. Do what you need for do. Until the reason again, viewers and subscribers, live, love, and prosper. And I'm out.